Hello everyone, we're excited to introduce the RUBIK Pi 3, a powerful Edge AI embedded development board built on the Qualcomm Dragonwing QCS6490 platform, developed by Thundercom. RUBIK Pi 3 is a versatile Edge AI platform built with a developer-first mindset. It supports multiple operating systems such as Qualcomm Linux, Android 13, Debian 13, and canonical Ubuntu for Qualcomm platforms. Leveraging Dragonwing, it delivers exceptional compute power and accelerates productivity. The RUBIK Pi 3 is optimized for power efficiency and designed with a compact, lightweight form factor. In this video, we'll explore the RUBIK Pi 3 features, walk you through the platform setup, and guide you through the installation of PhotonVision for FIRST teams. Let's begin by exploring the RUBIK Pi's top features. Some of the key highlights of the platform include 8-core Qualcomm Cairo 670 CPU for robust processing, Qualcomm Hexagon NPU with about 12 TOPS for accelerated AI workloads, Qualcomm Adreno 643L GPU for advanced graphics and vision tasks, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM for smooth multitasking, 128 GB of UFS 2.2 flash storage for fast and reliable data access. RUBIK Pi 3 is compatible with a variety of embedded development board peripherals and supports several interface options, which you can use to prototype advanced IoT solutions. Now let's walk through the steps to set up RUBIK Pi 3. Before powering on the device, we need to ensure proper cooling for stable performance. Hence, the first step is to install the fan. Without it, CPU temperatures may rise and cause performance fluctuations. To install the cooling fan, first apply 2 thermal pads so that they cover the 2 black contact areas on the board. Then position the fan so that the fan cable naturally reaches the fan port without stretching. Next, plug the fan cable into the fan header. This is important so that the orientation of the fan is correct. Finally, place the active fan flat on the board. Align the mounting points, and press the push pins straight down until firmly secured. Once the fan is installed, power on the device using a 12-volt, 3-amp Type-C power adapter, compliant with USB power delivery, PD 3.0. For FIRST Robotics applications, power input from the robot requires additional regulation. You will need to use a buck-boost converter to stabilize the variable 12-volt input into a 12-volt output. You can connect the converter output to RUBIK Pi 3 using one of the following methods. Solder the 12-volt output to the soldering pads, or USB-C connection to the RUBIK Pi 3. Before installing this software, we'll need to first install the Qualcomm Launcher tool. First, visit the Qualcomm Software Center, choose your computer's OS, Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, then download and install the latest version of Qualcomm Launcher. Open the tool and select Development Kit, then select the RUBIK Pi. Next, we need to select the target OS. Go to Target Operating System, then Custom. Then, we need to download PhotonVision Build. Go to PhotonVision Releases. Look for a file named in the format PhotonVision version Linux ARM64 _ RUBIK Pi 3.tar.xz. This is the software image you'll flash onto your RUBIK Pi 3. Now you need to switch the RUBIK Pi 3 into EDL mode. Press and hold the EDL button. Connect the power supply into the power port. Insert the Type-C cable into data port and wait 3 seconds. Once the board is in EDL mode, the tool will automatically detect it. Click Flash to update the firmware on the device. In the log output, you might see platform image downloads and background flash steps executing. This is normal. Please wait until the progress bar completes and you see a confirmation message. When prompted, put the RUBIK Pi 3 back into EDL mode. The tool will start installing PhotonVision automatically. After completion, you'll see the final confirmation screen. Click Finish Setup. Now your device is ready to run PhotonVision, which works with your robot. For more information, please refer to the PhotonVision documentation page. You need to protect your board by enclosing it into a case. If you prefer to 3D print your own case, please refer to the GitHub link and download the STL files provided by FIRST Team 1640. With your device set up, you're ready to start building an amazing robot for the FIRST Robotics Competition and bring home top awards for your team. Discover the Dragonwing chipset that powers this platform by exploring the Qualcomm QCS6490 overview page. Thanks for watching.